Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to reset your MI phone or Xiaomi phone. Friends, as you all know that resetting of the phone is required in three different scenarios. First one, when you are selling your phone either through Flipkart or from the Amazon. So the company wants that you should wipe all your personal data, you should remove all your locks, and then you should hand over it to the agent. So this is the first scenario when you need to reset your phone. Second scenario is when you are exchanging your phone within your family members or from the outside of the family members also. It is suggested that you should wipe off all your personal data. And in third scenario, if your phone becomes slow due to the malware attack or due to the prolonged use, so the files gets piled up and you need to do the cleanup process. In that scenario also, it may be a effective method that you should wipe all your data and you should start using the phone from the beginning. So in this video, I will explain you the two process by which you can reset your Xiaomi phone. For the demo purpose, I have Xiaomi Mi A2 phone. You can apply this method on any of the Xiaomi or Mi phone. Friends, there are two ways by which you can do this task. First one is through the software. For that you need to access the settings menu and then you need to go to security and then you have to go for the reset option that I will explain you in the later part of the video. And second method is hard reset. For that you have to switch off your phone and then from the boot menu itself you can perform the hard reset. Hard reset is very useful because it takes very less time, whereas the soft reset requires a longer time. So it is suggested that you should go for the hard reset of your phone to wipe off all your personal data. Friends, if you are new to our channel, I suggest you to please subscribe our channel, and if you find this video useful, then please like and share this video as well. So before wasting the time, let's go to the phone screen and I will show you how to delete your personal data from your phone in a fraction of seconds.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
So the first option is soft reset. For that, you have to go to settings and here you have to go down and there you can see the option called system, and here in the system you have to go to advanced and here you have to choose the reset option. There are three options. You have to choose the last option, that is erase all data or factory reset. So this is a method which can be used by a layman if you don't want to perform the hard reset operation. Now in the next screen you will see how to perform the hard reset. It is little tricky, so watch the video carefully because it is to perform this operation requires a little bit trick. So I will explain you that trick, how to do that. To do the hard reset of your Xiaomi phone, for that you have to switch off this phone. For that, press the power button and here you see the four options: power off, screenshot, restart and emergency. Click on the power off button and it will switch off your phone. Now once your phone is switched off, wait for 5 to 10 seconds, and after that what you have to do is you have to press power button along with the volume up button. Here you see this is volume up and this is volume down. So press this button, volume up. So press this button together. So I'm doing this, power button and volume up button. You will see the logo Android one twice. It will go off, again it will come, And now here you see this message that no command and this option. So still you have not accessed the hard reset option. Now again, this is the trick here. You have to press the power button and volume up button only once, like this. Power button and volume up button. Now you see this option is activated. Now using this volume up and down button, you can navigate through the options, and to execute the option you have to press the power button, this button. So since I have to wipe off all the data, so what I have to do is I will go to wipe data factory reset. Choose this option and press this power button. Here you will see the warning message that wipe all your user data, this can't be undone, and you need to select the factory data reset option using the volume up and volume down button. So this is the way to navigate. If you want to change your mind, click on the cancel button and press the enter button. Since I want to do this, so I will select the factory data reset and then I will press the enter button. That is the power off button once the command gets executed. So here you can see on the top that user volume up, down and power, and this option has been done. So you can perform this one more time. If you have not understood, I will show you once. Using the volume up and down button, just select the wipe data factory reset, press the power button to execute this command, then again press the volume up or volume down button to select the factory data reset, and then again execute this command by pressing the power button. So at the end you can see the data wipe complete. Okay, now you need to restart the phone. So click on the reboot system now. The top option, press the power button to restart your phone. Now your phone will restart and it will be same as the new phone. So this is the way how you can do the hard reset of your phone. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.